In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Photoshop online without the need to download any software. This can be a game changer for those who want to edit images on the go or for anyone working on a device where installing Adobe Photoshop isn't possible. Let's dive right in and explore this convenient method using an online tool called Photopea. To get started, open your web browser and go to www.photopea.com. Photopea is a powerful web-based image editor that closely resembles Adobe Photoshop in both appearance and functionality. This makes it an excellent choice for users familiar with Photoshop who want to edit images online without compromising on features. Once you're on the Photopea homepage, you'll see a simple interface that welcomes you to get started right away. Look for the option to create a new project, usually located prominently on the screen. Click on New Project to begin. This will open up a dialog box where you can set the parameters for your image, similar to the startup screen in Photoshop. This is where you can specify details such as the size of your project, the background content, and the resolution. Take a moment to adjust these settings to suit your project needs. After configuring your project's initial settings, go ahead and click on the Create button. This will open a workspace where you can begin your editing. The interface mirrors that of classic Photoshop, so if you're accustomed to Adobe's layout, you'll find it easy to navigate. Photopea supports layers, masks, and a wide array of editing tools, allowing you to perform complex edits such as applying filters, adjusting colors, and working with text layers. As you work, aim to make your edits as you would in Adobe Photoshop. The toolkit on the left-hand side of the screen includes familiar options like the brush tool, healing tool, and selection tools, which can help you accomplish a variety of tasks with ease. Note that Photopea also provides keyboard shortcuts similar to those of Photoshop, which can help speed up your workflow if you are already accustomed to using them. As you make progress and are satisfied with your work, it's crucial not to forget to save your project. You can do this by heading over to the File menu at the top left corner, which will give you various saving options. Saving your file in PSD format is recommended if you wish to continue editing it later in either Photopea itself or Adobe Photoshop. Alternatively, you can export your work in common image formats such as JPEG or PNG if you're ready to share or use the final product. By following these steps, you can efficiently use Photopea as a robust alternative to Adobe Photoshop directly in your web browser. I hope this guide helps you unlock new possibilities for your image editing projects. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.